for what's called the crossover. For the crossover, I like to just take the leg for a walk, give it a little bit of traction as I go, and then I'm going to start walking my way around, bringing the leg across their body. The leg is straight. I'm going to go nice and gradually, because a lot of people will get a lot of intensity here throughout crossover. At a certain point, and you can see again with Deborah, I've gotten here pretty quickly, but I now have the space to take a seat. Take a rest.
Yeah.
And then I can gradually take the leg a little further. So, yeah, I know. Now, what we're looking for is the far shoulder. Once it starts to lift, that's our point where we want to keep them. And then I bring my hands to the hips and I've got my knee supporting the ankle and I give a little bit of traction. Draw everything down towards you. Again, we got here pretty quickly with Deborah. For some people, you're going to need to take more time than that. You can do this a couple of times through really nice big stretch. Yeah, you'll be on the tail.
You're supporting her.
Yeah, so my knee is supporting behind the ankle. Now, of course, if it were further up, it could be on top of my leg or what have you. But Deborah is quite flexible.
You rest her leg down and you just let it fall.
Gravity takes it, yeah. 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 From the crossover, we're going for the angel twist.